Imagine a world where machines never sleep, never pause to recharge, and never need human help to keep going. Now imagine that future is no longer a fantasy, it's reality. And it begins today. The era of unstoppable robots is here, and it's called UBTech Walker S2, the world's first humanoid robot that swaps its own battery. This single innovation could redefine work, revolutionize industry, and reshape daily life. What makes this breakthrough so historic? How does this machine work? What will it mean for jobs, business, and even your own future? Today, you'll discover the remarkable story behind Walker S2, how it works, why the tech world is buzzing, and why this may be the most important leap in robotics in a generation. If you care about innovation, AI, or the future itself, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. 1. The race to robotic autonomy. How we got here. For decades, robots have been the backbone of global manufacturing and logistics, powering assembly lines, sorting packages, and performing repetitive tasks faster than any human. But no matter how advanced robots became, how smart, precise, or strong, they all shared the same fatal flaw: downtime. Every robot, from early assembly line machines to today's agile warehouse bots, has been at the mercy of battery life. When their power ran low, production halted, efficiency dropped, and costly delays rippled through entire industries. The only solution was to stop everything, plug in, and wait. Innovators tried everything: fast-charging batteries, swappable power packs, fleets of robots rotating in and out of operation. Still, every approach required humans in the loop or a pause in the action. Autonomous robots that could truly work nonstop remained a dream. Enter the modern era. Driven by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics began to close the gap between vision and reality. Robots could now navigate chaotic factory floors, avoid obstacles, and adapt to changing environments, all without a guiding hand. Yet even as AI grew more powerful, the fundamental problem of downtime remained unsolved. The dream was clear: a robot workforce capable of working around the clock, never needing a break, never needing a plug. For industries, the payoff would be enormous: no more night shifts, no more maintenance windows, no more lost revenue to exhausted machines. This is the landscape into which UBTech launched Walker S2, the robot that finally removes the last remaining limit on continuous autonomous labor. 2. Walker S2's breakthrough, the technology behind the revolution. At the heart of Walker, S2 is a simple yet revolutionary idea. When the battery runs low, the robot doesn't stop. It doesn't call for help. It doesn't pause. Instead, it simply swaps out its own power supply and keeps working. Walker S2 is the first humanoid robot engineered with a dual battery hot swap system. Inside its torso are two high-capacity battery packs. As Walker S2 goes about its tasks, its onboard intelligence constantly monitors energy levels. When it senses one battery nearing depletion, it doesn't slow down or shut down. Instead, it initiates its autonomous swap protocol. With machine precision, Walker S2 navigates to a battery docking station, positions itself perfectly, and uses its articulated arms to eject the spent battery. Instantly, it switches to the second battery, maintaining uninterrupted operation. Then it picks up a fully charged battery from the station and installs it. The depleted battery is left to recharge for the next cycle. All of this takes less than 3 minutes. There is no downtime. There are no human technicians involved. The cycle of work never breaks. But the engineering behind this feat goes even deeper. Walker S2's arms are designed with advanced servo motors and pressure sensors that allow for delicate, millimeter-accurate manipulation of heavy, sensitive battery units. Haptic feedback and computer vision enable the robot to sense, grasp, align, and lock the battery securely in place, every time without fail. Its navigation system is driven by the latest advances in artificial intelligence, fusing data from cameras, LiDAR, and deep learning algorithms to move through dynamic, unpredictable environments with confidence. Whether the robot is dodging a forklift, rerouting around a human worker, or adapting to new floor layouts, Walker S2 does it all seamlessly. The real magic lies in its autonomy. The entire process, from monitoring power to planning a route to executing the swap, is handled in real time, on the edge, with no need for cloud connectivity or outside instruction. Walker S2 is self-reliant in the truest sense. 3. Real-world impact, where the tireless robot works. With its unmatched autonomy, Walker S2 is already making waves in the real world. Nowhere is this more evident than in the factories and warehouses that power the global economy. In a typical smart factory, production lines often run 24 hours a day, relying on shifts of workers and teams of robots to keep things moving. Even a few minutes of downtime can cost thousands in lost output. With Walker S2, those minutes disappear. Deployed in leading-edge manufacturing facilities, including the groundbreaking Zeekr Smart Factory, Walker S2 is proving what's possible. These robots handle everything from moving heavy parts, assembling components, transporting inventory, and even monitoring quality. When a battery runs low, the robot doesn't leave the line or wait for replacement. It moves to the station, swaps its battery, and returns to work without missing a beat. Logistics and warehousing, too, are experiencing the shift. Robots like Walker S2 can now load trucks, move pallets, restock shelves, and coordinate with human workers in real time, all without a break. No more idle fleets waiting to recharge. No more labor lost to shift changes or fatigue. The ripple effects are profound. Factories report dramatic gains in uptime, efficiency, and output. With robots operating at maximum capacity day and night, businesses are seeing cost reductions, faster turnaround times, and fewer errors. And this is only the beginning. The healthcare sector is exploring Walker S2 as a solution for nonstop support roles, delivering supplies, assisting medical staff, and helping in elder care facilities. The retail industry envisions tireless store assistance. Even cities are considering autonomous robots for public maintenance, safety patrols, and infrastructure inspection. In every case, Walker S2's tireless operation translates directly to higher productivity, better service, and a radical new standard for what machines can achieve. 4. The world reacts. Expert opinions and industry shockwaves. As soon as news broke about Walker S2's successful autonomous battery swap, the global tech industry responded with astonishment and urgency. Leading robotics engineers called it the final piece of the puzzle for autonomous machines. Industry analysts predicted that businesses would rush to adopt continuous operation robots, reshaping the competitive landscape overnight. Dr. Mei Li, a pioneer in robotic automation, declared that Walker S2 sets a new benchmark for true self-sufficiency. It's not just about how smart robots are, but how independent they can become. Other robotics CEOs admitted that they are accelerating their own plans for battery swapping or self-maintenance capabilities, hoping to avoid falling behind. Economic analysts highlight the huge boost in productivity this innovation brings, estimating factory output could increase by up to 40%, with significant reductions in operational costs. Labor organizations and economists, meanwhile, warn that this leap will accelerate the shift from human to robotic labor, putting millions of jobs at risk unless new retraining programs and economic policies are put in place. Ethicists and policymakers are calling for new frameworks to ensure these powerful machines are deployed responsibly. How do we ensure safety, privacy, and fairness in a world where robots no longer need us to function? Governments are already debating regulations, transparency standards, and even the rights and responsibilities of autonomous machines. The public response is mixed. Tech enthusiasts see Walker S2 as a marvel that opens the door to prosperity and progress. Others worry about what a tireless robot workforce means for job security, social stability, and the pace of change. Surveys show excitement is matched by anxiety, with many people both amazed and uncertain about the future that's now arriving. What's clear is this: Walker S2 is more than a product launch. It's a signal that the age of autonomous, always-on machines is here, and every company, government, and citizen must reckon with what that means. 5. What comes next? The road beyond Walker S2. With Walker S2, the robotics world has crossed a threshold, but the pace of change is only going to accelerate from here. Industry insiders expect rapid global rollout as more manufacturers, logistics providers, and service industries embrace continuous operation robots. Battery swapping will quickly become a standard feature, and competitors will race to match and surpass UBTech's lead. The next wave of innovation will likely include even smarter robots. More dexterous, more aware, more adaptable. New battery technologies, universal charging standards, and cross-compatible swap stations will allow fleets of robots from different companies to work side by side. Soon, we could see robots capable not just of swapping batteries, but of performing self-maintenance, diagnostics, and even software upgrades entirely on their own. The home robot market is set for disruption as well. The technology behind Walker S2 could enable tireless household assistants that cook, clean, and care for families without ever needing to pause for a charge. Elder care, education, hospitality, and public services will all feel the impact as robots become a seamless part of daily life. At the same time, society will need to adapt. Questions of employment, income, retraining, and the ethical deployment of tireless machines will become central debates of the next decade. Lawmakers, business leaders, and citizens must work together to harness the benefits of this revolution while protecting the fabric of society. The journey that began with Walker S2's battery swap is just the start. The true test and the greatest opportunities lie ahead. The launch of UBTech Walker S2 marks the dawn of a new era. Autonomous, tireless robots are no longer just a vision. They are working, adapting, and changing the world as we speak. This is more than a technical milestone. It's a challenge to all of us to imagine, prepare for, and help shape the future we now face. Will we use this power to build prosperity, improve lives, and solve the world's toughest problems? Or will we simply watch as change sweeps over us? The age of tireless robots is here. The real question is, are you ready? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking stories and insights from the front lines of the AI revolution.